Hey guys, I set out to do my clothesline video today and ended up sort of making two videos. One about the clothesline and one about my $25-ish chainsaw mill. And I didn't do an intro for that. So this is my intro for my $25 chainsaw mill. Well, I told myself I wasn't going to do it. Might have told you guys I wasn't going to do it, but I did it. I broke out the chainsaw mill. This isn't one of them fancy Alaskan chainsaw mills you might have seen on the television. This is one of those $25, I think, chainsaw mills. Chainsaw wasn't 25 bucks. But it's just a bracket. It fits on a 2x6, or there's an adapter for a 2x4 that you can put on it. Attaches to your chain saw bar, and then you just basically pull it through. It's a little bit of work, but it'll do it. And it looks like maybe I need to sharpen my chain, but it cuts different. It's not going across, it's ripping, and you can get a ripping chain, but I saw this on Wrangler Star. He said that he doesn't use a ripping chain, and he's used ripping chains before, but he says he doesn't. He says he doesn't find much advantage to it. So at any rate, I got this second side ready to cut. So there's the first side down there. Nice cedar. So, swoosh, that's warm out here still. Might get any cooler. So, I've got my rough cut 4x4 post all completed. Cedar post, and it took a little while. I mean, it's not a quick process with that mill, but it's done. I got a post, so I can continue with the project. I love cedar wood. It's beautiful wood. It smells really nice too.